Ever needed to build a brand and didn't quite know where to start? I got you covered. Today we're going to be going over build a brand in minutes in Adobe Firefly. We're going to be pulling together fonts, photography, colors, and much more. Let's get started. Firefly boards are like AI-powered mood boards. Instead of juggling multiple tools, you can generate logos, color palettes, imagery, and layouts all in one space. For our spa and wellness brand, it's a perfect way to build a calming, cohesive identity in minutes. So first off, this is just going to be building blocks of a brand, but definitely enough to start with. So I'm going to start with a new board, and we're going to name it Serenity Spa. So I'm starting out by searching for some imagery we can use for our logo. I like this one, so I'm going to place it on the canvas. And I like how it conveys beauty and calmness. Next thing we're going to do is come up with some colors and some fonts. So right away I can see that this image already has some colors in it that we can grab. Next thing I'm going to do is come up with a font. I like how this font looks friendly. To capture the spa atmosphere, I'll add imagery like peaceful spa interiors, smooth stones, and candles. You can upload your own or use AI-generated visuals that match your brand style. So I'm going to select both of these and hit Remix, which gives me 16 other images that have these two images mixed together. I'm going to select a couple and bring them into our branding. So the next thing I'm going to do is create a logo lockup. So we've got our logo image. I'm going to remove the background, and then I'm going to add our logo type. I'm going to save this logo lockup as a group first, and then I'm going to download it as a ping file. So we're going to use AI to create a video. This gives the brand a moving visual that feels immersive. To make this video, we'll need our first frame, which is going to be our interior, and our last frame, which is going to have our logo on it. So remember how we saved our logo lockup earlier? Well, we're going to add it to this background for our end frame. We're going to group them together, and then we're going to download them as another image. And then we'll bring it back in to use as our final frame. So now I have our first frame and our last frame for our video. Let's go ahead and start. So I added a prompt, and I'm going to enhance prompt. It does help with descriptions. Before I hit generate, I am going to explain premium credits. So video does take 500 credits per generation. So keep that in mind as you check how many credits you have left before you start generating video. So here's our video, and you can see how it incorporated the first and the last frame into it. So next we're going to come up with some more images for our mood board. One of the things I like to do is to hit vary and hit more like this, which will come up with 16 additional images similar to the one that you've selected. Next, I'm going to search for some stock photography. I put tranquil and green to get kind of our brand feel. And if you hit the expand button, you can see a lot more choices at once, and then select them to place them on the canvas. Next, let's bring the brand into the real world. Using Firefly, I'll apply the logo to a tote bag, soft cotton t-shirt, and a clean embroidered cap. I like to use Flux Context Pro because of its conversational style. So now we have our baseball cap. Let's see what it would look like in green. To see what it looks like in green, I'll load the image of my white cap first. And just like that, we have a green baseball cap with a reverse logo. Now let's try a tote. I'm going to go back to my original logo, my image reference, and I'm going to ask for a tote. And lastly, a t-shirt. Instantly, the brand feels tangible, like something you could launch tomorrow. Once you're done, you can export your board, share it with clients, or save it as a PDF to guide future design projects. from print materials to digital campaigns. And there you have it in just a few minutes, the building blocks of a spa-inspired brand: logo, colors, fonts, imagery, video, and even branded products. Firefly Boards makes it fast and fun to turn ideas into reality. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more Firefly videos and design workflows featuring AI.